Hello there, my name is Icholia, and in this video I'm going to show you how I created this invitation card for a wedding ceremony using Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, now I'm going to show you everything, how I incorporated this flyer here, and then also here, and then how I inserted this image inside this ellipse tool. Okay, without that said, let's begin. So the first thing I need, clicking escape from my keyboard, and then we are going to insert a new slide. Okay, so I'm going to click here, insert, then from insert I'm going to click a new slide, then I'll select a blank one. Okay, so first, once I've inserted, I'm going to click here on design, then from the design I'll click here on slide, and then I'll click on custom size, and then as you can see I had already selected B5. Okay, so that one is equivalent to F5, but I'm sure it's not equivalent, but I'm using that dimension so that I can create an invitation card. So once we have created that, let me right click on this one, then I'm going to hide this one. I'm going to hide the slide. So let's work on this one. So the next thing I did, I inserted, click here to insert, and then I inserted a shape, a rectangular shape like this way. Then once I've done that, I'll right click here, and then I'll say format the shape, and then I'll click on gradient. Then you can see, because I had already worked on it, it just populates. But normally what you do, you will come and click here, and then you will select your color. Okay, select that one, right? And then you will come again on this one, you click here, and then you select the color. Okay, but because I had already populated, it will work like that. Okay, then from here I'm going to select all of this, and then I'll click on shape, and then I'll say not like that, shape outline, and then I'm going to remove the outline, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is to click here on my images, and then I'm going to drag this image inside here like so, and then I'm going to reduce it a bit. Let me close this one a bit, then I'm going to reduce this one like so, then I'll bring this one here. Then once I've positioned that one there, then I'm going to click Control on my keyboard, and then I'll carry it this way, and then I'm going to flip vertically, and then I'll flip again horizontally, and then I'm going to bring this one here. All right, let's continue. So the next thing I want to do is to create the text. Okay, so I'll click here, and then I'm going to do this, and then I'll type the word invitation card. Okay, like so, and then I'm going to select all of it, and then I'm going to increase the size like so, and then I'm going to select the font. Let's use that font, then we increase it again. Okay, let's increase it once more, that way it's okay. This one is perfect. Okay, then drag it a bit there. After that, I'll click here on this line tool, and then I'm going to click here, click with shift on my keyboard and control, and then I'll let it there. Then I'll click on format, from format, and then I'll click on shape outline. First I'm going to increase it, let's say 1.5, then I'll push it a bit down. Then once I've done that, we are going to change the color to be black. Select black, and then I'll come back here, and then click on this ellipse, and then I'm going to create a small ellipse like that, and then I'll make it black, and then I'll remove the outline. Okay, and then just carry it, and then I position it here like that. Okay, then I'm going to control on my keyboard, and then I shift like that, and then we are going to shift so that we can reduce a bit until here. That is how it is. Perfect. So the next thing, I'm going again to click here. Okay, and then I'm going to create an ellipse, If you don't know, an ellipse is just another word of saying a circle. Okay, so this is a circle that I've created, and then I'm going to right click here on this circle, and then I'm going to click on format, and then from the format I'm going to click on picture, and then my picture will populate because I had already worked on it. But if it's not, you'll just come here, click on file, then from the file you will come and locate your picture where it is. Okay, then after that I'm now going to click, and then I'll click on format, and then I'm going to click here on shape outline, and then I'll use the eyedropper, and then I'll select this color, and then I'll come again, click here, and then the weight I'm going to use let's say 3 points is working. Yes, 3 points is working very well. Let me close this one. 3 points works well, and then from there now we are going to type the name of these couples. Okay, so I'll come here, home, then from home I'm going to insert the text here like this, and then I'll type, let me reference what was the name. The name was Purity and Lojohomoy. Okay, so let's do it again. That, then I'll type the word Purity, and then enter, and use this ampersand, and then I'll say Lojohomoy. Okay, like that, and then I'm going to Control A on my keyboard, select it. So I'll come here and use, let's say, I think this one is perfect, and then I'm going to increase, I'll make it bold like that. And then again, once we have done this, we need to center it, just to be on the center like that. And then we are going to position it here so that it can be almost the same with the picture. Okay, then I'm going to click here, and then I'll use a white color, so I'll come here to text, and then I'll make it white. Okay, let me increase a bit so that it can be visible very well like this. Now this one looks perfect, but if you're not happy with the font, you can still use a different font. Okay, let's look what else. Yeah, you can use that one if you want. In fact, this one looks nice. Also this one, let's use this one. This one looks nice. This one looks nice. Okay, we can use this one. Okay, so and then after I have made that, now I'm going to draw another text tool like this, and then I'll say the family of Mr. and Mrs. Lojohomoy and the family of Mr. and Mrs. Let me reference the name. What was the name? The name is Muya. Okay, so Mr. Muya hereby invite the presence of, then we say honorable engineer, doctor, reverend, pastor, PST, pastor, and who else? Then we say Mr. Okay, Mrs. Okay, then I'm going to enter, and then I will draw a line. Okay, and then I will enter, and I say to the wedding ceremony of their son and daughter, which will take place at St. Monica Parish, Nakuru. Okay, comma, and then again I will continue. Your presence and contribution will be highly appreciated. Okay, then I'm going full stop, and then I'm going to say Control A on my keyboard to select everything, and then I'll come here, click on the good font. Let's say I'm going to use that font, and then I will center it. Once I've centered it, let's say we change the color to be white. We click here, we make it white like that. Okay, let me capitalize this one like this, and then I'll Control A again, and then I reduce the font size to be 17. Like this is okay. This one looks perfect. This one looks perfect too. And then I'm going also to space here, so that in the middle here we will write the name of somebody. If it's honorable, we say honorable so and so, doctor so and so. Okay. The next thing we need to do is to create another text tool here, and then I'll write here RSP RSVP. Let's do like that. SVP, say Mr. Let's say Dr. Jacob Ekiru. Then we'll use the telephone number 07 14 22 33 44. Okay, then we select this one. We are going to use the same font we have used here. Okay, so I'm going to click here, and then let's use this one, and then we bolden it. Okay, let's use this one, but this one I don't know why it's not picking what I want. Okay, let's use a different font. Let's use a different font. Let me reference the font I used here. It is okay, no problem. I've known now. Okay, so this other down part I used a font called T Control Z. Click here as TW like that, and then we reduce it. Yeah, I think that one is okay. And then we are going to center, make it center like that, and then we will bring it down here. Then also we will copy the same, then we bring it this other side like this, and then we change the name. So these guys are the one who are going to organize the ceremony. Okay, so that's why I'm writing them RSVP. So let me change the name here from doctor. I want to change it to engineer Mullen Peter. Okay, that is it. Now we are almost done, so I'm going to select all of this like so, and then I'm going to push it up a bit. Okay, now from here there is one thing I'm supposed to add. I'll look for a ring, then I'm going to add it here. So I'll come back to my asset tool, and then I'm going to bring it here. This is the ring. And then I'll click here on remove background. Guys, if you didn't know that you can remove a background using PowerPoint, now this one is okay. And if you feel like I should make a video on how you can remove a background, a photo background from PowerPoint, then just comment it down there, and then I will show you step by step. For now, I'm just going to do it quickly like this, and I'll say keep, and then this one I'll right click, I click on format, and then I'll click here crop, and then I'm going to crop this image like so, and then I'll show you where we are going to position. Okay, so like this, and then click outside, and then I'm going to click shift control my keyboard, and then I'll bring this one here like this. Then as you can see, my text seems to be lost somewhere here, but I'm going to work on it like this, and then we are going to bring it here. Okay. Now it doesn't look that good the way I anticipated, but let me reduce this image a bit like so, yeah, so that we can get a space. So I'm going to select all of this, and then I position it, set it up a bit like that. But still you can see here, let me reduce this one. Let's reduce this one a bit, then we bring it here. Let's select all of this, we position it back again. I think this one is perfect. Now I need to differentiate this text color a bit. Okay, so I'm going to select all of this. Where is it to? Just delete one. I'm going to select all of this, and then I'll come here to text, then let's use that one. Okay, that one doesn't look good. Let me do it again. Click here, and then I'll come here to more colors. From the more colors, I'll select custom, then I'm going to drag this one down. It has to be somehow darker like that. Yes, like this looks nice. Select this one, then from here we are going to use a darker one. We will use it darker like that. Looks nice, guys. Okay, let me preview so that you can see what we have created. So slideshow, and then from the beginning. So this is what we have created, guys. If you like this tutorial, kindly share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Okay, and if you have anything else that you need me to create using either Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or Publisher, just comment it down so that I will be able to work on it. Guys, thank you.